So listen, tonight, I don't want to do no long talking. My name is Drake, I'm from Toronto, Canada, you know all that shit already. I want to formally welcome you to the Summer 16 tour. Tonight, I want you to have the best time and the best party of your life. I want you to drink, I want you to smoke, I want you to laugh, I want you to love, I want you to have fun. But first, I'm gonna take you to where I'm from. Let's go. Much closer. Chi-Town. Mama hit my phone and said raps no good. Better than telling me the checks no good. Now they wanna act like I do no good. Funny cause I really did more than I should. I made a decision last night, I'd die for it. Yeah, just to show Chicago what it takes to be alive for it. Can't get me on the line, so they hate me out to try for it. You know 40 wants peace, but I'm down to cut ties for it. I can't sleep these days unless I take one. If they don't have a story these days, they'll make one. And see, life is always on, man, I never get a break from it. Doesn't matter where I go, I can never get away from it. Chi-Town.